Which is better, affiliate marketing or dropshipping? Dropshipping and affiliate marketing are two of the more popular ways to make money online right now. In this video, I'm going to outline the differences between these two money-making methods and lay out the pros and cons of each. So, first, what is the difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing? Dropshipping is a method of selling physical products online, also called e-commerce, without having to have any of the products on hand or buy mass quantities of the inventory. With dropshipping, a customer buys a product from you, you order the product from a supplier, and then the supplier ships the item directly to your customer. With affiliate marketing, you send free or paid traffic to other people's physical or digital products. You make a commission anytime someone buys. Again, you don't actually own the products themselves, you simply send customers to the websites where the products are sold. To compare, let's start with the pros of dropshipping. Dropshipping pro number 1. There are a lot of hot and trending physical products available on sites like AliExpress, a massive Chinese e-commerce supplier. If you can hit on one of these hot items, it's possible to make a good amount of money in a short period of time. For example, people who started selling masks in the spring of 2020 were able to get a ton of sales. Dropshipping pro number 2. You never have to have any inventory. You order the items once the customer orders from you, and the supplier ships it to them. Unlike with traditional e-commerce, there's no need to have a warehouse full of stuff to sell. Dropshipping pro number 3. It doesn't take much money to get started. Since you don't have to buy up tons of inventory, you can start small. Most of your money will be spent on advertising, but it's possible to start out spending as little as $5 per day on ads. Unfortunately, there are also some downsides with dropshipping. Dropshipping con number 1. Customer service. With dropshipping, or any type of e-commerce, there's a good bit of customer service. Customers will call or email about returns, refunds, shipping times, or just general questions about items you sell. If you're just starting out, and have to do all of the customer service yourself, it can be time-consuming and a big hassle. Dropshipping con number 2. If you're using one of the major sites like AliExpress to source products, the hot items can get saturated pretty quickly. You have to be continually finding new things to sell. Dropshipping con number 3. Profit margin. Your profit with dropshipping is anything after you've paid for the price of the item, advertising, and shipping costs. A profit margin of 20%, though not high, is pretty good. Dropshipping con number 4. Long shipping times. Large dropshipping sourcing sites like AliExpress produce most of their goods in China. This results in long shipping times, often a few weeks to even months. Customers are often upset by this, which leads to customer service headaches. Now that you have some information about dropshipping, let's talk about affiliate marketing. But first, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Affiliate marketing pro number 1. No customer service. With affiliate marketing, the affiliate handles all of the customer service. As a result, there's no need for you to be involved in any kind of communication with customers. Orders, returns, and refunds are all handled by the vendor. Affiliate marketing pro number 2. No shipping if you're selling digital products. Many affiliates sell digital products through platforms such as Clickbank. These are instant digital downloads, so there's no shipping necessary. Affiliate marketing pro number 3. Start with little or no money. Though people sell affiliate products by advertising them on Google or Facebook, it's possible to get sales using free traffic from Google, YouTube, and Facebook. Affiliate marketing pro number 4. High commissions. Affiliates often pay out commissions as high as 50 to 75%. And with no products to buy, profits are generally much better than with e-commerce. Affiliate marketing pro number 5. Independence. Affiliate marketers sometimes refer to themselves as digital nomads, because it's possible to live almost anywhere and run an affiliate business. Affiliate marketing pro number 6. Passive income. You can literally be making sales around the clock and while you sleep. Just as with dropshipping, there are some cons with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing con number 1. Some affiliate offers are better than others. There are many great affiliate vendors out there, but there are also some that offer low-quality, overpriced products. It's important to do your research to find high-quality offers with low refund rates. Affiliate marketing con number 2. If you're using free traffic, it can take a while to get sales. Consistency with article writing or video making is the key here. Affiliate marketing con number 3. Finding winning products can take some time. Testing and trial and error are often necessary to find a winning offer, especially if you're new to affiliate sales. So, if you're looking to start an online business, which is better, affiliate marketing or dropshipping? It's possible to make a nice side income, a full-time income, or much more with either method. But for someone just starting out, I'd recommend going the affiliate marketing route. The low cost of entry and lack of customer service demands make it a great choice for people starting out. There can be a learning curve with either method, so it's a good idea to learn step by step how to do it properly. Check out the links in the description for the e-commerce dropshipping and affiliate courses I recommend to get started. And be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this.